Hi guys, Kelly here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be swatching for you guys some of the Mascara Beauty Shimmer eyeshadows. Oh my gosh. You guys, eyeshadows are one of those tricky things, especially when you're buying online, where you see them online, the lighting is perfect, the color correction, the eyeshadows look amazing, and then you get them home and they look great in the pan, but then you go to use them and they're not so amazing. That doesn't happen with these. That's not what happens with these. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Very short and sweet intro. These babies speak for themselves, so let's jump right in with some swatches. First one we're gonna swatch is Unicorn, and it is a beautiful frosted white. I'm actually wearing it on my inner corners and in my waterline. So nothing on my finger yet. We're just gonna go do like that. Right here in my palm. There you go. I'm telling you guys, the payoff is gorgeous. Next color we have here is Sabrina, and it's a more like a bone colored shimmer. We're gonna do the same back and forth motion on there. Beautiful. This would go great for a brow highlight without being too like in your face like Unicorn. And it's actually what I'm wearing right now under the brow bone. So you can see there's a little bit of a shimmer, but it's not super intense like Unicorn would have been. Next shade is called Blondie. We're just gonna let her do her thing. There are so many things you could do with this color. This would be a beautiful, even cheek highlight color. This would also be beautiful just dusted across the décolleté, which is the upper chest area, your collarbones, for your shoulders, for just a beautiful glow. Oh, Blondie, you need to have Blondie. You gotta have her. Here is Foxy, kind of a bronzed gold. And gorgeous, beautiful. This would be a great color if you are more my shade or darker. This would be a great dupe instead of using Blondie. So if you're like my shade or lighter, Blondie would work for all that extra fun little glow and highlight. If you are my shade or darker, Foxy would work. The next 5 shades I'm going to show you might seem a little intimidating when you first get them because they are so vivid, but trust me, you will find a way to work them into your makeup routine. This first one of those 5, this is Ginger. Beautiful little ginger. Boop, boop, boop. Just a little back and forth. If that is not pumpkin spice fall vibes, I don't know what is. This is number 33. I wore this with a smoky eye. I created a smoky eye on the top, and then on the bottom, I smudged number 33 in with my black eyeliner. Such a fun, beautiful pop of color under the eye. That picture is up on my Instagram if you guys want to go check out what that actually looks like on. But here is number 33. This shade is gorgeous. If you have hazel green eyes, this shade would be amazing. Like my sister, I cannot wait to get this color on my sister. She has hazel eyes that can pull green. Stunning. If you have hazel eyes, this needs to be in your eyeshadow palette. All right, guys, next up is Soulmate, a beautiful pink shimmer with kind of a gold reflex to it. I wore this shade, actually I wore the shade yesterday for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We're being challenged to wear pink. Check this color out. Beautiful shade for all over the lid. It is definitely a little more pink in person, but the shimmer reflect on this is just, the camera doesn't even know how to handle it. The last 2 shades are purples. This first one is called Kin. We're going to swatch Kin. It's more of a smoky purple. Look at that. This would be a really easy color to throw on all over the lid with your brush. Just kind of dust it on there for just a quick, easy pop of color on the lid. Throw on your mascara. Boom, done. This last shade might be one of my absolute favorite shimmer shades. This one is called As If. I mean, you know. Let me show you As If. Look at that, just on my finger. Ready? They should just rename this one Kelli, I think. It should just be renamed Kelli. Here's a quick look of the colors in the palette. Some of these are mattes, but you can see all the shimmer shades that we swatched. OMG, I've got more on their way. They should be here next week. I can't wait to create a bazillion looks for you guys. They will be posted up here on this page. Make sure to check out my Instagram page for photos of the looks and the swatches. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know down below what else you would like to see. If there's any looks you'd like to see using these eyeshadows, drop it down below in the comments. I will link where you can purchase this makeup and shop of the other shades as well. That's it for this one. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.